Welcome! Today in front of me I have the DJI Flip drone, the Fly More combo to be exact, and in this video I'll show how you can swap a battery or simply take off the battery and put the battery on this aircraft. So to start, take your drone, make sure that it is powered off, of course. So as you can see, mine is. Now, looking at the rear end of the battery, you have two buttons here, one on each side. So in order to take the battery off, you'll need to press those buttons inwards like that, and then simply slide the battery out like that. Now you gotta take the replacement battery, mine is on this little power hub. Align the contact point on the aircraft and the contact point on the battery like that, and slide it in. Also, once it is almost in, push those buttons so it can be mounted all the way. And as you can see, the drone has been automatically powered on after I've inserted the battery, but that's a normal thing. So if yours will also switch on, do not be afraid or do not worry. And well, that's how you manage the battery on this DJI Flip. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.